So it is January 11th and I let him swing on his new swing for the first time because it feels good right now and it looks like it might rain. So we're gonna go out while we can. But I thought I had to document this, and it's kind of crazy that it was snowing last Wednesday and then today is Thursday, but today it's warm enough to go outside. North Carolina weather for you. This baby's ready. He's got his jacket on and pants. And you wanna go outside? Do you wanna go outside? Here we go. You're gonna get in your swing, okay? Okay? You look like you got mommy's here. You ready? Hey, big boy in the swing. Whee! Whee! It feels good out here. Is that baby swinging? Is that baby swinging? Is that baby swinging? Whee! Where we at? We came to Food Line because we're having a late Christmas party with the staff from the church tomorrow night. So we're getting the food. We're having the party at our house. So we're gonna cook the food, right? You can help mommy cook. So we're here to get the stuff for that. Potatoes, barbecue sauce, green beans, some things to make the potatoes, flour and seasoning. Blake is over there talking to his mom about what kind of chicken to buy. Ready? I'm gonna get it right there. Tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle. You don't like that one. There we go. Whoa! Where you going? 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 Mama? Mama?
Dada?
Hey. Hey.